What's up, you guys? Your boy Amazing Prosper. How you doing? Hope you are doing well. So welcome to this channel. Yes, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I traded last week as a Forex day trader in Lagos, Nigeria. Yeah, so last week was amazing, like really amazing. I'm super excited. Like the way I'm trading now is like you know what you're doing. Like you really understand that. Okay, now I understand what I'm doing. I understand what I did here. I understand what I did there. I understand what I did. I'm going to understand what I'm going to do today. So amazing. This is kind of mindset that you have to have. And I also understand that trading is a business. You really need to be conscious about what you are doing. You really need to know. You can be unconscious when you're trading. You don't know. Yeah, you can be placing trades every now and then, like you want to get in, you want to get out, you want to do that, you want to do that. No. So you have to be conscious about what you are trading, and you have to put some parameters like rules around you when you are trading, because it's easy to just do things like anyhow, like it doesn't matter, but it will surely affect you because your numbers will be low. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I traded. So let's go directly to the chart. Let me show you guys how I traded last week.
What's up, you guys? Welcome to my chat. Yeah, amazing. How you guys doing? Hope you are doing well. Yeah, so how I traded last week was so beautiful. Yeah, listen very carefully. If you know how to trade, you will know that trading to make profit, like becoming consistent in profit making in the forex market, is very boring. Yeah, my mentor or people who are way ahead of me like usually say this, but I used to think that they are funny. Why would they say making money is boring? But recently I found out that making money is actually boring in trading. It's very boring because it's like driving airplane. Like when you are driving airplane, if you're a pilot or you know how to drive airplane, if you meet them, they will tell you that it's boring. Like you have to do the same thing over and over again. What you know that you have to do, that's what you will do. You don't have to try to change it or make it better or make it good, or just do it. You will just be making money like crazy. Yeah, so let me show you guys how it started. So this was November, Tuesday, yeah, Monday. Yeah, this is Monday morning. Yeah, so you can see there is two line here. Yeah, this is high and low of the week. Yeah, this is a strategy that I learned from my mentor. Yeah, Jeffrey Benson. If you know me too well, you know that Jeffrey Benson is my mentor. You can see, just look at here. You can see how the market started rejecting from here. You can see where it started rejecting. When the market comes down to the low of the week, it started rejecting from that place. It didn't even come down to psychology level. Then it started moving. So this was Monday. So how to get the high and low of the week is very simple. Yeah, very simple. The two candle of the week, the two first candle of the week. Yeah, so let me you just go over setting and you go to events, then you check the session breaks. Yeah, you just check it. So this session break, every boss here will show you, yeah, this is Friday, this is Thursday. Or let me change the color so that the color will be okay. Let me make it multi-car. Yeah, so I think this is okay. Let me make it white. Should I increase it to multi? Yeah, for this purpose, let me leave it like this so that you can see, because my chart is already black, so you may likely not be seeing what I'm doing. So let's go. So this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. So I don't trade on Monday. All I do when it comes to Monday is just to map out my high and low of the week. Yeah, as I said, this is a strategy that I learned from my mentor, and it has been helping me all this while. Yeah, it has been helping me on this way to figure out how the forex market works. Yeah, especially on GJ, it works. Like, I can't lie about that. It works. You can see what happened. I'll just show you guys what happened recently. So you can see that this is the first candle and this is the second candle. Then you just put the first one on the low here. Yeah, on the lowest, this lowest candle, like here. Let me zoom out. So you can see where I put this one. This is the low of this candle, the lowest candle, this one. This is the first one, this is the second one. Yeah, so you just put it on the top of the high of this place and the low of this one. So just drag it to your right hand, so that if the following days, if the market is just coming out, like if the market is just, the candle is just printing, all these things will cover up. You see how I just drag it to my right hand side. Yeah, so Next week I'll remove this and select another one. So that's it. So you can see, let me show you what I mean by it works. You can see that the market just break the high, the low of the week, and start retesting up above it. Yeah, and it finds support in the low of the week. On the low of the week, sorry, on the low of the week, it finds support here, and the market just go up. When it went up to the high of the week, we saw what happened here. This is a very almost 50 something pips. If you are just waiting to sell, if you're just waiting to sell, immediately market hits the high of the week, you can see what happened here. This is always the range here. You see what happened here. The market, let me show you guys. This is up to like 50 pips or 50 something pips from this high. Yeah, so to here, you see, if you just want to take your profit here, you can see that this is 50, 60 something pips. Yeah, amazing. So that's it. So the next thing is my trend line and psychology level, how I do my trend line and psychology level. So let me remove that line so that my chart will be just random. Okay, so this is it, that's it. So my trend line strategy, is very simple. If you want to trade the trend line strategy that I use, it's just simple. I just map my trend line and make it to be relevant on the chart. It surely have to be relevant on the chart. Yeah, you can see, if you look very carefully, you can see that this is touching the low, this one is touching the low, and this one is cutting across here. This one is cutting across here. The reason why it's cutting across here is that if this thing is like this, it will be touching these ones, and where it is touching matters a lot. You understand? Yeah, it won't be touching that one. So that's why it must always touch the relevant place. So this place is also relevant when the market is here, is very, very relevant and current. So this was another one. So, and I caught this one in as much as I was literally fighting about this, like this particular trade. I was fighting myself about it. I was thinking that the market has break out from that place. This is just a breakout from that. This is just a breakout, like a breakout test. Let me do on 15 minutes. Let me show you guys what happened. So on 15 minutes, you can see that this was a very tricky trade that was on Friday. Yeah, very tricky trade on Friday. Very tricky one. Like, I was like, my mind was like, bro, are you not sure? Are you sure that this is not a break and retest of this trend line? But something helped me. What helped me was I figured out that, okay, this is like a chain, like a block. You can see what happened here. The market was resisting to go down, and it was creating something like a block here, and it created a hammer candle. You can see this hammer candle here. Then it created this candle that I told you last week. If you have not watched my video last week, go and watch it. I told you guys that you have to be very, very, very careful when you see this candle. This one that is here. Let me remove this one. This candle that is here. This dodge candle, this indecision candle here. Very, very careful. Be very careful whenever you see it, because that candle moves GJ very well. Just go and backtest this candle that I'm showing you guys. I've backtested a lot, and I have understand that candle moves GJ very well. So when I see that candle, I say, okay, this place has done support. What is happening? I saw this rejection. This one wasn't big enough. This one wasn't big enough. Immediately I saw this one, I got in. Yeah, I posted it on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, just go and follow me on Instagram. Amazing Prosper. Yeah, I posted it on my Instagram page, on my story that day. So I caught the trade here, and it was going up. So it was going up like aggressively. Yeah. So the next one was the one that I took first was on Monday here. This one. Yeah, so sorry, on Tuesday. I don't trade on Monday. This was on Tuesday. I posted this one on my Telegram channel. So I posted both of them on my Telegram channel. Yeah, I posted this one on my Telegram channel. Just the link is on the description below. So I posted this one on my Telegram channel. You can see the first touch. So this trend line, I'll show you this one. This one is the current one. This one is the right one. Like, trend line has so many strategy. This one is the current one. This one was the normal one that you guys know, which is trend line, like following the trend here. But this one that is here is called counter trend line. This one that is here is called counter trend line. The reason why it is there is because I also use it to find the main trend line. You can see that I use it to find this trend line that is here. So you can see that there was a bounce here. There was a bounce, second, and I can literally say that you can see the market break out and retest that trend line. You see, that was a confirmation of this one, also letting me know that this is the first touch of this big one. Amazing. This is the first touch of this big one, and you can see this is like a hammer candle. This is like a hammer candle, but it is bearish. It's a bearish candle but hammer. So once I saw that rejection, and there's a psychology level below here, psychology level just right there, psychology level of 184.500 right there. This was a very $1 million trade. Like if I had opportunity, I could have loaded like many months. But what happened here was the market was also tricky that day. I saw these first bands on this counter trend line. This first one, I thought that the market would start moving up from here, and my stop loss was close below this psychology level. What happened? The market just went down and hit my stop loss. If you go on my Telegram channel, you will see that was the trade that I posted on that Tuesday. You will see that I had some red, like I lose some money over there before. I lose some money. Then when I started seeing this, the next place that I brought in was here. When I saw this, okay, I brought in here. I know that, okay, this place has become a low. Then I brought in there. The market started taking me up. Yeah, so that was how I traded last week. This was the 2 trade. This one was painful because I literally saw it. It was like a carbon copy of this. Like it was like a photocopy of this trade. That was what happened here. Yeah, but I wasn't thinking right that Wednesday. I wasn't thinking right. Sorry, on Thursday. Like I was like, yeah, I was thinking right, but the candle was deceiving. Like here. So all trade, you don't have to get in on all trade. You have to understand how to know when to get in and when to get out. You don't have to force in whenever it is not clear. Be very, very intentional about this. This is your money and this is business. Whenever, like if you're doing business maybe anywhere and a customer come to you and the price that the customer is pricing you is not comfortable, you're not comfortable with the price, you don't have to get in. You don't have to force to sell it. You just leave it. You have your goods. Yeah. You have your goods with you. Leave it. That's how trading is. If you understand, if you have this mindset, you are going to be doing well from now. You have a mindset of, okay, this is my business and this is my goods that I'm selling. This is my goods. Your capital is your goods that you are selling. So when a customer comes to you and the price that the customer, you tell the customer, and the customer is not comfortable with the price and he's telling you his own price and you are not comfortable with it at all, leave it. Just sit on your hands. Don't force it. So that was what happened. I was looking at buying here the first touch, second touch, which is the W pattern that I trade normally. So I was looking at buying here, but the reason why I didn't get in was it wasn't clear enough for me. Look at what happened here. You can see, yeah, there was a rejection here. This is a rejection, and this candle here deceived me. This one here deceived me. I was literally thinking that, okay, this one will be bearish again, and this one was bullish, and I was like, what is happening? before I know what's up, this one has already printed. Yeah, so me getting in here, my stop very, very high. You know that I like putting my stop below the recent low, yeah, or recent high. So my stop will be 36 pips. So it's very risky, and it is closer to the high of the week, so I don't really need to get in there. So I was just watching what happened. But I've learned one thing, every day is a learning day. As long as you are hitting the chart, you are trading. Yeah, if you are always on the chart, you don't necessarily need to be backtesting always, in as much as backtesting is okay. But when you are always on the chart, you are also backtesting, like you are forward testing. Yeah, that's what it's called. You are forward testing. So that's why my eyes is always on the chart. GG, I love GG so much. Yeah, this is my time to shine. Very soon you guys will be seeing it. Yeah, the numbers is going to be showing up very soon, like aggressively. Like I'm super excited that what I'm seeing now. So because I have been on this game like for a while now, like like a year plus now. Yeah, but the numbers, that's what matters a lot. It doesn't matter. It doesn't count. The years that you have been here doesn't count. What really matters is the numbers. Yeah, you can't deceive anyone when it comes to trading because your numbers is there. You have to show your numbers. The numbers, what I mean is the lifestyle. When someone is high in number, like whenever someone have a high number, the lifestyle will prove it. Yeah, that's it. Don't be deceived about what you see online. So let's go, bro.
Yeah, so guys, that was how I traded last week. Yeah, so if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button for your boy, on your bell notification. See you in the next video. Peace out.